What is up, guys? It is Emily and Fowler, and today for this vlog, Alright, and today for this vlog, it will be about the Kansas City dog meetup that we just had with all the Instagram dogs. Here, Fowler, come here. Dude, come here. There you go. So, anyways, it was a meetup we had with different Instagram dogs. A lot of the dogs in it are just ones, that we've become really good friends with. The dog that actually poses with Fowler, that is Fowler's girlfriend, is Riley the Brave Aussie, and she's actually Fowler. Is Riley the Brave Aussie, and she is actually a blind and deaf Aussie. So Riley is the result of bad breeding. She is an offspring of two Merrill Aussies. You never want to do that because most dogs who are born out of two Merrill type dogs are usually blind or deaf or both. But she acts just like a regular dog. I've noticed when she's around Fowler, she does use her nose a lot. She depends a lot on her nose in this world. It's funny though, because when we meet up with Riley the Brave Aussie, what happens though is she actually catches Fowler's scent and she gets all excited. It's awesome. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Sorry this one is a little short. We'll try to make the next ones longer. Do you guys like the short ones? I don't know, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've noticed that most of my viewers are not subscribed, so please just hit the subscribe button. It just takes like 2 seconds. Yeah, please like and subscribe. And please remember to love and train your dog. Be kind, work hard, and most importantly, be yourself.